Hey, what is up guys, it's the Gaming Book, and today, back with another episode of my Little Blacksmith shop. Now, there was a new update, and before I show everything that was new, let's go to the sandbox mode, where everything's a lot cooler. Here's just some boxes, normal, right? Here's the wagon. Yep, the new wagon. And that's where you can order things. There's a new anvil, cooling table, furnace. This is for making ingots out of ore, I'm pretty sure. Not sure though. Not too sure. There's a double cooled axe blade. And then, like that. All this is new to me. I have no idea what this is. Okay, yeah, so let's go break this ore to get ore out of it. Oh yeah, you can break ore in this game now, but you can't get it like, the real game. It's only in the sandbox mode, so that sucks. Here's some cooled tin. Let's take it. Oh, accidentally clicked up the screen. Oh yeah, and you can make other things now. You can make shields. At least I think you can. Alright, and then here's firewood for the fire. Right? You just gotta wait. Is it Alt? It's Alt. No. Is it Control? But Control Alt. No, okay. Well, I forgot how to rotate these, so we're just gonna stick it in there like that. Okay, now it's turned on. It's making an ingot out of these ores. Right? And also put that iron in there. Take that out, take that out, and then there's garbage over there. Just stick that in there. See, we got all this now, but no one really cares. Here's garbage. People say I'm garbage, so I should probably jump in here, which I can't, so haha. Here's cooling stuff. Right, so y'all see everything new, right? So we're just gonna go back into shop mode, which for some reason is a little laggy, but that's fine. Oh god. Yeah, so ores, they're not in the shop mode yet. They will be in the future. And here's some, wood logs. Now, I do know where there's some shields and stuff out there, but we're not going to go looking for those yet. And here, some ingots. There you go. Take some of these. You gotta put these in here first. Actually, no. Yeah, I'll show y'all that thing that I found. Or was it a spear, not a shield? I don't know what it was. I can't remember now. But whatever, we're gonna go find it. Should be somewhere around here. Oh, yep. This is what happens whenever you go into the woods. Is it this way? I think it was in a rock, sort of. Well, now I'm thinking it's a sword. I don't remember what it was, or where it was. Do I hear other footsteps? This game's getting really scary all of a sudden. What's this? Nothing. Oh, fallen. Oh, that's the barrier. Oh, okay. So it's somewhere around here. Is that it? What is that? I think that's just a rock. I don't know where it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, wait, no. This is just the axe. Yeah, here's a shield. They call it a round board, but it's actually a shield. And there's, you know, a crystal, but we found those last time. They're boring. Boring. Let me get this shield. Got a round board, yo. Do you have a round board? I didn't think so. Bruh. Wait. Yeah, drop it. Can we, like, hit these and then turn them into round boards? Can we, like, take it over here to turn it into a round board or something? No, they're completely useless. Throw it over there. Okay, let's, get these cooking. There we go. Alright. Let's go open up shop. And in here are all the new tools and stuff. Oh, this is cool. Anyone here yet? No. Oh yeah, now if you go out front, there's some houses all around. Here are the shields. Those are metal though. You know what? Before we serve a customer, I want to go check out these houses. Because I never checked out these houses. Oh, why are we so slow? Like, they walk faster than us. Is it just, like, empty? It's just empty. Can we get in the water? Can we? Yes, we can! Oh. Someone's here and they want something. But we can go in the water, sort of. Walk in it. There's no swimming animation. That sucks. But I see something over there that I want to go check out. Today we're just going to be exploring the map. No, there's a barrier. What is that? I have no idea. That is all sorts of not finished. There's the gate. There's the giant! The giant! We have to go see the giant. He's actually moving now. Holy shoot, this guy is giant. Like, seriously, we have to go look at the giant. I've never seen him moving. No, he's going beyond the trees. Come back, Mr. Giant. Oh, he's coming back. Yes, he obeys my every command. Make me a ham sandwich. Oh, it's so foggy, I can't see. But I can see his... This caught my attention. Oh wait, it's just that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wait, can we still push you? Yes, we can still push him. Yep, you're coming home with me. No, no running away. Yes, you're coming home with me, Mr. Giant. Whoosh. Oh, I hit the tree. Whoosh. Yep, go through the tree. Fly! Fly, Mr. Giant. Why is he not flying? Is he stuck? You wanna go on... No, stop flying. Stop flying. Go that way. Yes! Yes! We have captured the giant! We took the giant. We stole the giant. It's the right term. How you feel, bros? We took your giant. What happened to our ingots in here? Oh, they're still in here. Right, good. Is he moving? No. We completely just stole a giant from the wild. We tamed a giant. There we go. Yeah, we tamed a giant. And you will have no say in what else happens to this giant. We shall have him fight for our amusement. They're gone, I guess that's fine. Oh, no. Don't kick him. We want him to stay over here. Alright, let's go take someone's order. I'm back. Anyone want some blacksmith items? Ooh, there's different pole arms now. Here comes someone. Alrighty, what do you want? Okay, so you want a great sword. The wrong way. I think I can make me great sword. So we take an ingot, right? Take an ingot. Put it on the anvil. And this one's on the floor. Don't step on the ingots. That's a major part of blacksmithing. Especially whenever the ingot is very hot. Then you shall have no more feet. Because that's like 2,000 degrees or something. It's insane. Yeah, this giant is like distracting me so much. There we go. Now we make great sword. Yay, we make great sword. Now what we do is go over the water and splash great sword in water. Yes. Wait. Now we take great sword inside. Right. We put it on table. Put it on table. Right? And then take this away from it. Right, and then grab two-handed guard, slap it on there, slap that on there. Okay, sir, I have your greatsword. Yay, we make $29. We made $8 from that. So sad. Okay, well, I just want to do a quick review on this and just show y'all whatever is new. And if y'all want more episodes of this, just comment down below, show me all your feedback. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Like always, leave a like if you liked it, share it with your friends, hopefully they like it too. Subscribe if you're new, hit that bell like button, hit that bell notification button. You get notifications all day because I post like 3 times a day. I'll see you when I see you. Bye bye.